Yup, we have some quiet unboxing to do, so let's do this. Hey guys, what's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, we are unboxing this brand new 4th generation iPad Air. Wait, I don't even know how to act right now because I'm just so excited. I heard so many good reviews about this iPad Air that I can just cannot wait to open it. Also, you guys, as you guys can see, I got some table because every time I unbox, I just do it manually on my hand. It's hard. So I'm so excited to welcome her in our family. Anyways, let's move on. There are lots of color choices nowadays. They have pink, blue, silver, green, and of course the space gray. We love that. There's tons of color choices for you, what fits you. And what we have right now is space gray. I don't know, I chose this because I feel like it's more of a neutral color, and I just love the way it blends with the screen in the front. It's dark and it's dark gray. I cannot wait to open it and see it. But before we open though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. And did I mention we're also unboxing this other accessories? We have the 2nd generation Apple Pen and the Magic Keyboard. Let's do this. Let's put this aside. We're gonna open you later on, but for now we're gonna focus on this iPad Air. Let's just do it. I got so excited. But anyways, here is what the box looks like, and every color iPad Air is a different box. If you have the pink one, it will have more pink. Here's the side of the box, the front of the box, and the back of the box. What we got right now is the 64GB iPad Air 4th generation with Wi-Fi and cellular. Alright, let's see it. Wow, look at that. Wow. 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 Alright, okay, Apple. This is so nice. I turned it on, but we're gonna put her aside for right now. I kind of want to see what's in the box and what it comes with. Alright, it looks like this is gonna be some instructions. I am looking for stickers, which is my favorite part. So let's see if it comes with stickers. Ooh, it does come with stickers. I am happy that it comes with 2. What is this? Oh, this is for the cellular thing. So if I want to add a SIM card, it is just a little wire so that we can push the little button and put the SIM card in. And like I said, more instructions that I probably need to read, so we're gonna put her aside for right now. It looks like we have the Usbc charger and the USB-C cable. This looks kind of short, but let's see. That is really short, but hey, just be thankful, I guess. It comes with a cable. Alright, let's put her in, and it looks like that. So that is that. Let's go back to this iPad Air. This iPad Air has a 10.9-inch liquid retina display, an A14 Bionic chip, Touch ID on the power button, has support of Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard like I said, and you can either have 64GB of storage to a maximum of 256GB. This generation has a Touch ID rather than a Face ID, which I kind of like Touch ID better because I feel like it's more consistent. Alright, I moved you guys closer so you guys can see what I'm seeing. And swipe up to open. Alright, what we want is English. I'm in United States. And we're gonna set up our Touch ID. This is so ratchet. I wish I have a better setup for this, but we're gonna start right now. And maybe I should do this properly, so... Alright, it says add another finger, which is actually smart because whenever I put this on my Magic Keyboard, it will be flipped like this. So the finger that I will be using is different. Yay! Added! Alright, next, create a password. And this one you cannot see. Alright, I'm just gonna set up the rest of this and I'll be back. Alright, I believe we are done because it says, welcome to iPad. I can add widgets. Yes, we love that. Alright, let's see if the Touch ID is really good. So, I'm gonna turn it on. That was really fast. I cannot wait to play with this baby right here. Ugh. This is just great. But now, let's move on to the accessory. And what we have right now is this. What was that? What we have right now is this 2nd generation Apple Pen. Do you want some ASMR? Shh. I suck at this. Ho ho! Okay. Wow. I just get so excited. What is this? Is there a sticker? Instructions. And instructions that I probably need to read because I've never owned an Apple Pen before, so I will definitely keep this. And from what I've seen is you just kind of just put this here. It just clicks. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys closer. Alright, what it says is welcome to Apple Pencil. Okay. Hi. It worked. Subscribe. It does say subscribe. Oh my god. We can do delete.
Remove editable text just by scratching it out.
I can just go like this. And it got deleted. Oh my god. Delete. Oh, we're gonna move on to select.
Says circle or draw a line through the text easily to select it.
Circle this. Okay. Do this. If I need a note right away, I can just tap it in the middle. It will show up and I can just write notes already. It's so convenient, right? I can also screenshot a page using this Apple Pen. I can just drag the pen in the middle, let it go. It will take a picture. I can also write notes in this. Alright, Apple Pencil, you did great. I'm so excited to use them. It's so satisfying. Hi guys. Alright guys, are we moving too fast? Because we have another unboxing, which is the iPad Air Magic Keyboard. I mean, it's not specifically for iPad Air because this also supports the iPad Pro. Ooh. But you guys, the weight of this is really heavy, so if you guys are not a fan of heavy covers, I wouldn't recommend this. This is heavier than the iPad Air, so wow. Oh. Alright you guys, I believe these are just the instructions. And what is great about this, it has a really powerful magnet. Wow! And this feels really good. This is not a cheap material. It has a full-size keyboard, which is amazing. This Magic Keyboard is an amazing companion for iPad Pro and the 4th generation iPad Air. It features an incredible typing experience, a USB-C port for pass-through charging, and front and back protection. This is really a Magic Keyboard because it just pairs to the iPad like automatically, and I can bend it all the way like that. Alright guys, I believe that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go play with this after this video. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. Overall, I love everything that we have unboxed. I cannot wait to play with it. Anyways, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.